Okay, good day everyone. This is 2025 October. Year 2025 October. This one is the Sleeping Lion accent. As you can see, traffic is quite bad here, quite congested. It's going to be a rush hour very soon. So this Jalan Imbi. 呢度係 Jalan Imbi 嘅永興城啊！大家好啊，嚟到我哋個 Jalan Sini Jalan 站啦，帶俾你依家2025年嘅10月份啊，更新下呢度嘅 video 啦，因為好多嘢變化咗。So it's an update for you all what's been happening so far in Jalan Imbi because it's been such a long while since the last video. Now we have some new eateries such as this 湖人南家，依家海腳仔海鮮啊，呢度又有一間咁嘅嘢，海腳仔海腳家 ，it's another different one. Then towards the end you can see welcome to KL, right? That one is another eatery. So it's durian season again. People are selling Musang King Tropica. 呢個係熱榴蓮、熱貓榴蓮啊！有呢啲咁嘅鋪頭嘅，以前呢度冚唪唥係舊鋪，已經拆晒啦。So it's been already taken down. Most of the old shops here and being built as all these kiosks and small food shops. So which I will be bringing you as well, but food courts galore in this area. 基本上熱到攞命，又係賣榴蓮喎呢度。So a lot of changes 啊！呢度以前係 open air car park last time, but now it's already becoming a place for you to really eat your durian out. Yeah， 改晒變榴蓮街啦呢度。And then the Imbi place is still around, very much the same. This is former, those are old shops. This one are all new shops. 呢間係新嘅取代咗啲舊嘅鋪頭啊。As I said, Imbi has got a lot of alteration, renovating, especially this place. Right, Tropica Museum 馬來西亞鮮養生熱鍋啊！嗰啲咩火鍋啊，咩都喺晒度啊，大佬。前邊仲有火鍋街添。So this part of the area, Jalan Imbi, has gone through quite a lot of changes, as I said earlier. So there are a lot of all these shops, Chinese shops, which we'll be covering later. Now, as you can see, this is Saxon. This is the Sleeping Lion. We were there just now. So, coming back to continuing our journey, where Imbi has gone through quite a lot of changes. 就係正話我哋頭先咧係喺嗰個 Lion Sleeping Lion 嗰度過嚟噶嘛，就係嗰度啦。你 Action 喺度啦，係一條街嚟嘅，就喺對面黃東記、汪東之。Dachi BBQ Empire, all these new shops, even coffee, Dalongji, all this. And here you have, 哎呦，蜀香十里，蜀香十里啊！呢啲火鍋店頭啊，冚唪唥改到晒呢度。以前空地嚟嘅 ，so quite a lot of changes indeed. Food courts and whatnot. So one last look before we go. Continue. So the green colour one is Lot 10， 青色嗰間係 Lot 10啦。呢個 Pan Pacific、Park Royal、Park Royal Hotel 就喺後邊啫。呢個大門嚟嘅。而家行去後邊睇下有咩改變啦。嗱，呢個後巷。然之後咧，呢個係人氣冇咩有嘅。燕尾鍋 The Nest Imbi， 呢度係一個 food court 嚟嘅，但係做嗰啲打工仔生意啦。嗱，呢度又有一啲嘢改變啦。 其他咧賣點心啊呢啲都仲有。嗱 TRX 喺嗰度。啲人咧冇晒位泊車啦，就要泊係咁樣。So a lot of people don't have space for parking. They end up having to park like next to the road, which is quite dangerous. A lot of projects like this are ongoing. I don't know. I wonder what is this going to be up. I'm sure, however, it's food lah. Or they're selling durian, I think. 好似咁樣嘅嘢咯，你又唔知起咩啦，應該係賣榴蓮嘅咯，應該。呢又有肉骨茶啊，好多唔同嘅嘢依家。呢度正如我所講 ，EMB 係行緊一個好大變化。It's a major change 啊！呢度有一間櫻花餐廳 Sakura。The old Sakura is a new version of Sakura. 哇！呢度有個咖啡嘅。嗱 ，OK，just set your coordinates right first. So this is IMB behind the IMB area. TRX just there. And then, yeah, then this is where the Bak Kut Teh Street 啦。呢度就係肉骨茶街，正話我哋係喺嗰邊咁樣過 ，so we were there just now. So now this is the back lane. So I thought covering this as an update to my previous video of IMB. 嗱，亞喜肉骨茶未見過一間肉骨茶店係開半晝嘅，就係呢個啦，8點半到3點半，然之後就冇位啦。8點半朝早開門。3點半夜晚冇咯，下晝嚟已經冇噶啦。其實過開 lunch time，after lunch time is gone. So this is the only Bak Kut Teh shop that I know of in Malaysia that only opens half a day, 8:30 to 3:30 p.m. Just now the Ahe. But this Sun Fong is quite commercialized in my opinion. 嗱，呢個咧係興美食城，呢個係新嘢嚟喎。以前係北京嘅啫，依家咧變開一個food court 啊，一個美食中心。So last time used to be a parking area, but it's been done up. So I suspect more of all these shops like this lah. Quite a lot of delicacies around, I think. You have the chicken rice lah. You have all sort of eateries. 地方有啲窄嘅，因為啲凳好食位。哇！太多啲嘢 ，so you can have a look, try out for yourself. Of course, nobody around because why? It's not lunch time. It's just working day, midday. So this is the area. Just like you can try out lah. I have no opinion on this. I haven't tried. 自己嚟試啦嚇。評估唔到，因為未試過，所以就唔好家人去做一個好客觀嘅。嗱，呢度就係賣榴蓮噶啦，正話嗰個榴蓮啦，都行多一轉啦。有貴州、西川、四川啊，有啲熟角啦，啲冚唪唥買啲食嘅嘢、辣嘅嘢，so it's all spicy stuff 啊。Formerly a parking place, but now it becomes an eatery stalls or food court center. Yeah, you can try. I don't know. I can recommend only after I have tasted. It's all new to me. 啊，就係正位呢度咁樣入嚟嘅呢度，咁樣走翻出去啦。然之後陸續要介紹嘅就係呢個咖啡啊 ，Lost and Found 呢度都有啲咖啡餐地方嘅，開咗好多新嘅。So this Lost and Found, very good review also. I've been there. Food is nice. And this Bak Kut Teh is Sun Fong just now. This is actually the branch of that one. Yeah, so nothing spectacular. Like I said, it's commercialized. 嗱，呢個新興隆咧又唔同啦，好似好多人個 lunchtime. A lot of people during lunchtime. Yeah, this 新興隆 Sabah pork noodle is new, and I've seen myself. Place is very crowded. 呢個沙巴生肉麵啊，啱啱開張冇幾耐，有啲靚女幫襯添。Talking about Imbi, this is the one of the major change, Nanyang Seafood, Wild Bite. So this Berjaya Times Square. Yeah. Then, as per mentioned, this is TRX, an AIA building. So the shopping mall is just there. 就係嗰個 TRX 就係呢度啦。如果 EMB 嘅角度你睇係呢度。咁成個 EMB 咧最大嘅改變啦，我覺得係呢條街 Jalan Barat 係最緊要嘅。嗱，裝修到咁靚嘅呢個 hotel， 但係冇人，未有人入伙。仲有呢個 hotel 但係。幾間 hotel 啊，幾間酒店。A few hotels are being built here slowly, one after another. 嗱，俾你睇下啦，行呢邊係好多呢啲店頭啊，陸續一隻一隻咁樣開，太多搞到呢度冚唪唥都要北路邊，睇下嘛。So all these shops are mushrooming one after another and causing severe lack of parking in this area. 根本冇位泊啊！睇下咪路邊都有人泊埋。So people literally have to park all over the place. Can't even get parking already these days. So some already been here for quite a while. Some just opened not so long ago, including this Tipsy 未有開啦，但係夜晚好多後生仔啊，有機會拍俾你睇啊！好，我就到此為止啦。呢個 EMB 區啱啱正正行咗個浪，大家多謝收睇啦。I see you in my next video. Thank you. I just played one round of Jalan EMB area. Thank you for watching. I see you in my next video.